how to fix Zangi microphone not working. Having trouble getting your microphone to work in Zangi calls, it's frustrating, right? Let's figure out it together. First things first, have you checked your Zangi's permission on your phone? This is a common issue, so let's go to the app info. For that, simply tap on your app and there you can see an option for app info. Tap on it and that will take you to the app information section. Now simply go to the permission. Here you can see permissions at the second or as a second option. Tap on it. There you will see a list differentiated between allowed and not allowed. So my microphone is allowed, so for me here it's okay. And if you don't have allowed the microphone, simply switch it on or allowed. So if it's up, Zangi can't use your mic. Okay, permission is on and it's still not working in a call. During a Zangi call, take a look at the screen. Is there a microphone icon? Let me show you a call. So my friends doesn't have this app right over here, so I'll be explaining the rest process. So when you're calling, just check it up. Is your microphone icon is crossed out, or look if it's muted or not. Tap it to unmute yourself. Sometimes we accidentally hit the mute button. Still no log? Try choosing the Zangi app completely and open it again. Sometimes apps just need a quick restart to reset things. If that doesn't work, restart your entire phone can often clear up your weird glitches like this. Most of the time, it's one of the simple steps. Did one of them work for you? Hope so. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, then forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.